Hello there, I'm Hani, a 12-year-old student from Kuching, Sarawak, which is in Malaysia. I'm also a student in Tinkercad Learning Center. In this video, I'll be sharing to you about my idea, the Braille Peg. The Braille Peg is designed for the visually impaired. This is the Braille Peg. To design this, I used Tinkercad. Initially, I made the peg to have Braille characters embossed on it. It also crossed my mind that those who aren't visually impaired would want to help sort the shirts too. So, there are Braille characters and alphabets on it too. Apart from that, placing the Braille characters of the color and full color name would clutter and make the peg less easy to use. I settled on using the first 3 letters of the color name as the Braille characters. For example, yellow would be used as yell for Braille. Moreover, there is a dot placed before the Braille characters so users would know where to begin reading. If you would like to design pegs for different colors, you'd only need to change the Braille characters and the wording. Throughout the designing process, Tinkercad was my choice of designing tool as it's open source and easy to use. I printed one prototype initially to test its quality and durability. However, the first iteration broke and further adjustments were needed. I shaved off some of the edges, made the 2 ends closer and the pivot point thicker. Thankfully, the second iteration proved to be the best version thus far. As you can see, users can clip the peg on their shirt easily and would have no hassle removing it too. Users can feel the Braille on the peg to recognize the color of the clothes. In summary, the Braille Peg can be used to help the visually impaired easily sort their clothes. Thank you, Makeable, for providing me the tools, opportunity, and inspiration to create this design for the convenience of the visually impaired. That is all I have to say. Thank you.